Hello everyone, and welcome to the Gadget Flow channel. If you're searching for a robot vacuum and mop that combines raw power with innovative features, the Mova V50 Ultra Complete is designed to do precisely that. With one of the strongest suction ratings in its class, versatile navigation, and even warm water mopping, it aims to take on both daily dirt and stubborn messes while keeping maintenance simple. At the heart of this machine is its FlexiRise navigation system. The robot utilizes a retractable LDS sensor that adjusts its height according to the environment, tucking down to glide under sofas and extending upward in open spaces for improved visibility and efficient route planning. Its suction power reaches an incredible 24,000 pascals, and with triple anti-tangle technology including the Wave Duo brush, it's built to remove dust, debris, and hair without the hassle of wrap brushes. For mopping, the Duo solution system gives you options: a general cleaning solution or a pet odor removal agent, both sprayed onto the mop and paired with a FlexiPress mop pad for consistent pressure. The Stepmaster system adds obstacle overcoming ability, featuring extendable wheels that can climb thresholds, door edges, and steps up to 2.36 inches, making it suitable for navigating tricky layouts. Finally, the JetSpray Dryboard with 20 nozzles keeps the washboard clean, filters out dirt, and reduces odors during long-term use. So how does it perform in real homes? Customers highlight its impressive suction and strong overall cleaning performance, saying their floors remain consistently clean. Several reviewers note that it's surprisingly quiet for such a powerful unit, making it easy to run during the day without being disruptive. Its ability to adapt to different home layouts and overcome obstacles also stands out. Owners mention it navigates tricky furniture arrangements well. Pet owners, in particular, praise the tangle-free design, with one noting that hair never gets wrapped around the main brush, which reduces the usual hassle of maintenance. As for usability, opinions are mixed. Some customers found the setup straightforward and appreciated the app integration, while others reported that the included instructions could be clearer, making the first-time setup more challenging. Still, once configured, most users agree that the robot delivers on its promise of powerful, low-maintenance cleaning, especially for households with pets and mixed flooring. Overall, the Mova V50 Ultra Complete is a premium robot vacuum and mop that prioritizes power and convenience. With its massive suction strength, smart navigation, and flexible cleaning options, it's built for busy homes that want less daily upkeep and more consistently clean floors. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.